Radiator's cracked, fluid's draining. Headlight assembly's gone. Wiper fluid. Timing belt tensioner's gone. Engine running rough. Quarter panel's shot, split here. Hood cracked, or off center. Rear bumper peeled off. Exhaust pulled off to the side. Lights gone. Trunk pushed in. Rear exhaust, my pack's killing me. Rear exhaust, yeah. On the right. Pulled down. Toast. It's been a great car. See the hood's off kilter here. Jeez, man, I can't even think right now. That can't be good. Jesus. So here's what happened. The highway was narrowing down to one lane due to construction. We were slowing down to 30 miles per hour when people normally do 80 to 85 all day. The other driver was distracted, and when he saw me, he tried to turn right, but realized he would hit construction equipment to the right, so he turned left back into me. I spun out and hit all four corners of my car on the guardrail, and was knocked unconscious for over a minute. I have 6 ruptured discs and 4 herniated discs in my back and neck, which to this day causes me extreme pain. I didn't get much for a settlement, but it was enough for me to buy my first S2000 at $6,900. So please, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, and be safe out there.